Okay, why is it giving me a prompt instead of doing it? GPT 5.5 just rolled out. Is this the end of Claude Mythos? Who am I kidding? Claude Mythos is not even out. It's like a myth or something. We don't really know if it exists, but it might exist. But yeah. Hello everyone, I am Ryan with the Dev, and today we are going to be exploring the capabilities of GPT 5.5. So I'm really excited. We are going to be trying it with GPT 5.5, 5.4, and also look into Gemini 3.1 Pro, Qwen 3.6, as well as Kimi 2.6 as well, and Claude maybe. Well, let's get started, shall we? Now we are going to try to make this, if they can make videos like, I know that Claude can do that, but let's see if ChatGPT can. So they will be installing the Remotion package and try to make a video for my intro. Let's see if it's able to do that. Okay. Let's try for Gemini as well. I don't think that it will be able to do this, but yeah. Qwen, I don't think that Qwen will be able to do this, but yeah, I'm just gonna try anyways. If Qwen really improves their desktop app to be better like Claude's, then I think that Qwen can be a good competitor in my opinion. Qwen 3.6 Max model is amazing. Did fail the PDF test. One thing is that I'm being completely unbiased here. I'm not paid by any of these companies. I wish they did, but yeah. I'm just a small nobody, so yeah. Okay, why is it giving me a prompt instead of doing it? I gave you the prompt to do the task and not improve the prompt. I'm not sure why this is happening. One of the problems that I have noticed with ChatGPT is that, I have a dedicated project which deals with generating prompts, but that shouldn't be leaking, right? That shouldn't work on all chats or other projects. So I'm not sure why that is happening. That is not good. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, do I have to enable Canvas for this? Because it wasn't able to do this. Okay, let's try with Canvas. Okay, let's try with Canvas and see if it's able to do anything different. Yeah, this wasn't able to do this as well. So let's try once again with Canvas. This is the thing that I love about Claude, is that you can just tell it to do it and it will do it. So I'm enabling Canvas for this and then trying again. Let's see if it's able to do. Okay, I think that GPT 5.4 not standard thinking is doing it on its own. That's amazing. This is GPT 5.4 extended thinking. So why did 5.5 make this blunder? I don't know. Okay, it's generating the code. I'm not sure if it will actually, show me the video. Yeah, it's just generating the code. I guess Claude is still the winner on this. Will Qwen be able to do this? Nah, man. I expected this from Qwen. Not gonna lie. I expected this, so that's alright. I set them to do this on their own, so 5.5 failed miserably, not gonna lie. As I'm seeing, I think that GPT 5.4, both standard and thinking, are doing it for me, which is exactly what I want. So I'm just going to give it a bit more time, and then I'll try to prompt 5.5 in some other ways and see if they still, do that. It seems that none of them are able to do this. It sucks. I'm just still gonna try it anyways and see if they can do it over here. It's not even done. Okay, why the code itself can be prepared here. You will still need to run the install render commands in your project. Okay, then what's the point? What's the point? Ah, man. Does the preview work? Yeah, it's not gonna able to do this. No, it wasn't, but still I'm gonna ask it. I can show you the live animated preview right here in the browser, but I cannot. Okay, show me the preview then. Okay, yeah, after all that thinking, Remotion was not able to. But thinking GPT 5.4 extended was not able to do it over here as well. Not gonna lie, but Gemini won this round for sure. It was able to get the preview running. I mean, it looks awful. I mean, it's off center. It still did it over here. Okay. So that's something. They cannot do this over here. So that I'm not. You know what? I'm gonna try this. I know that I don't really have much of a quota. I know that I don't really have much tokens. I know that free plan is really limited, but let's try this with Sonnet 4.6. All right. I'm probably gonna use up the free quota. Okay, one thing that I would like to change is that my space is really messy, and I don't really want all this to be on at the same time to be eating up my RAM. So what I'm gonna do is click on Bookmark Explorer Pro, and I'm gonna click on Save All Tabs, Save Tabs in the folder. If I just save it, it's gonna save it today's date. So download it for free from the Chrome extension store. So I'm gonna have the link on my bio, and you can get it and try it for free. It does have a limitation on the free part, but if you like it, it's worth it to get the paid one, and it's only like $5 or something. So yeah, so I have all my tabs saved over here. So I'm just gonna close the rest. And I'm guessing that I probably would be able to download it over here on Claude as well, which I wasn't able to in Gemini. Okay, can I preview it yet? All right. Not gonna lie, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see if it gives me the download button. Okay, artifact failed to load. The generated artifact uses libraries we don't support. Okay. All right, I see how it is. I mean, I wasn't able to get the export for YouTube part, but it did show me a solid preview, so that's still better. And I think that there is a workaround it to have it run on Claude. Yeah, I don't know it at the moment. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to know. And if you want the services that I provide, then you can click on the link below and visit our website, axonify.com. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.